are going to love the 2016 Buick Cascada. The Buick Cascada is extremely attractive from every angle. It is competitively priced. It drives quiet, comfortable, and comes with a lot of features. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, lane departure warning, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, navigation system, traction control, power passenger seat, backup camera, stability control, remote engine start, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, cruise control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, AM/FM stereo radio. Come see the car for yourself.